Up to that 61 cent major upper resistance, right? So that's what's going on there. The cryptos are just consolidating down until the volume comes back in and the futures market opens, and then you start making your major moves up or down, right? Commerce Resource, I had a guy ask about it last week. Let's go into Commerce Resource. It's been getting hammered as gold's been consolidating down, as this is just a speculative stock. But he was asking for areas to maybe buy a position and swing trade it. Maybe buy and swing trade this. You can see a couple areas. You're right at one right now, right? If we put a horizontal ray, see this? We'll mark this with a horizontal ray. You can see there's major support and resistance back here. See that back there? Make that a little bit bigger. See that? Yeah, there's major support and resistance back there, and now you're sitting on it again. So if you're trying to take a swing trade on the down low, this is a spot that you could try. But then again, if it breaks down from here and can't hold this level, the next level that you'd want to consolidate down on a breakdown would be your next major area where there's a bunch of support and resistance, and that's all the way down there at 12 cents, right? So right now at 15 cents, that is a historic area where every time it's hit it, it's put back up after for a swing trade. But right now it's trying to break down below that if we go into the hour time frame. See that? And if you can't get back above that, the moving averages are deeply trending downwards, which is very bearish. If you know Vincenzo'S trading rules, then you're coming down to 12 cents. 12 cents would be a better area to accumulate a lot more, right? If you're accumulating Commerce Resource, based on that. If you could dabble in it now, but say you got a pot of money that you want to put in this, I would only put about 40% in right now, and then see if it holds this, and you can buy more if it confirms on the upside of the 15 cents, or if it comes down to the 12 cents. Next major area where buyers should be, right? You could stack a bunch of cash there and play the bounce where buyers should be. So that's what I'd look at. 15 cents you can nibble. 12 cents, that's major support, right, on the underneath breakdown target downside. Like, subscribe, and share. I had to fix my shower, which we just got done. Fucking nailed it. Fixed that, kicked his ass. And now we gotta go pick up some marijuana. Mary Jane, I love you, Mary Jane. She's my main squeeze. Right? That's why I gotta go pick up that, bring some back to where I'm going to make people happy. But you can see gold real quick as I let you go. Gold's been consolidating down, right? I'm very bullish on gold, and I've been stacking, and I've been accumulating, and I'm going to accumulate more as we're on an accumulation zone. But if we can't hold this major back test at about that 1800 mark where we bounced off of several times, your next underneath target is kind of down there at about 1700, 1650. So that's what I'm watching for. But I did start accumulating more on this support zone, and then if we break back down, I'll accumulate on the way down at every support zone, right? So that's what I'm doing in gold and my mining stocks, because I think I'm going to be phenomenally rich in the coming years in those mining stocks. Like, subscribe, and share. I'll give you some more updates to come. It's been a busy weekend with the funeral and traveling and fixing the house before I got to travel tomorrow, right? So we'll give you more updates later on today and into tonight, and hopefully the market starts to move a little bit. Peace and love. Peace and love.